Take out the 2.4 GHz receiver. Plug the receiver into the computer's port to connect. Press and hold the button to power on. Double-click to switch connection mode. Triple-click to switch game or music mode. Single-click to microphone on or off. Volume control. Green light indicates 2.4 GHz mode. Blue light indicates Bluetooth mode. Connect the phone by removing the Type-C port of 2.4 GHz receiver and plugging it in. Plug the microphone into the designated port on the headphone. The microphone light indicates it's in normal use. Download the driver from the MCHOSE official website. Switch to your desired language. Right-click speaker, then click equalizer. Adjust your equalizer settings as you need. Save the adjusted settings as a preset. You can also restore the default settings, or back to your manual preset setting. You can switch to the preset parameters set by the official. Click Surround Headphone. Enable surround sound. You can explore more features on speakers. Right-click microphone. You can adjust the volume control. Switch different magic sounds to change your voice effect output. You can enable AI noise reduction for the microphone. Thanks for watching. Let's enjoy gaming with V9 headphone.